Hi guys, I just got finished filming my outfit of the day and now I'm going to do a makeup collection video. Hey guys, I'm here with an April favorites video. Today is the last day of April, which is kind of hard to believe.
Hello YouTube! So today I am back with another video. I know it's been a while. And again, thank you so much for 1,100 subs. I'm so excited to make even more content. Also, I want to mention thank you guys all so much for 5,000 subs. This is like kind of awkward for me to hold it like this. This is our life!
I can't see! Did you do it? Oh my god! We missed it because of the blur, but we did it! Oh my god, dude, are you kidding me?
10,001! So crazy! I don't know, I'm just excited because it's like I can't believe like so many people love the channel and like support me so much and it makes so much happy. Thank you guys all so much for 25,000 subscribers and I'm just so grateful that you're here joining this journey. I'm just so happy and so grateful and I'm just so excited for where this channel takes us. I am feeling amazing because I woke up to 50,000 subscribers on this channel. Like honestly, I can't even describe how I feel today because I just am so overjoyed with excitement and I'm just so grateful to everyone who subscribed to this channel. We reached 75,000 subscribers on this channel and I am literally in awe. I made a little post on my community tab, but I just want to thank you guys so much for supporting this channel. It's been an incredible year. If you guys don't already know, I actually started this channel about 10 years ago and it was always my dream to have a YouTube channel to just share things that I loved. So I'm really happy that I came back about a year ago and just stuck with my channel.
Yay!
Oh my god. Okay, it didn't feel real earlier, but all of your nice comments are making this feel super real. So thank you guys all so much and I'm gonna go cry now. Okay, bye.
That's all I have for today guys. Thanks for watching and tune in for more. Bye!
Hello YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Tina and I make videos on lifestyle, home, and DIY projects every single week. Today's video is a little bit different because we are celebrating 100,000 subscribers here on this channel and I'm already getting emotional. Oh god. Okay. I wanted to make today's video to celebrate such a huge milestone and this truly is something that I never thought would happen on this channel. There's seriously so much that I want to say to you guys, but I will just start by saying thank you guys so much for supporting this channel every single week. We reached the milestone on Sunday and it is now Tuesday, so I feel like I'm still just processing everything, but I wanted to put together a video just to tell you guys how much I love and appreciate every single one of you guys. When I started this channel back up, I wanted to share my passions, and as much as I love voiceover Tina, I never wanted to be just a voice. I always wanted you guys to know the voice behind the camera, so I thought I would take the time to talk to you guys a little bit more about who I am and who you're choosing to support every single week. As a viewer and a creator, that's just super important to me, so I hope that you guys like this video and learn something new about me. And of course, at the end of this video, I do have something special to celebrate you guys, so make sure that you stay tuned for that. But I do have all my little notes here on my phone so that I touch on everything that I want to touch on and that I don't ramble on too much. So to start, I've actually been on YouTube since 2006. I was in middle school and I basically would just post random videos of whatever a middle schooler did. I had one of those CyberShot cameras which was super popular back in the day, and if you guys had one you'll know what I'm talking about. It was my family's camera, but having it seriously started my obsession with photography and vlogging even at such a young age. And I remember even in 6th grade I had a blog, I had a Zanga account, and I don't even remember what I would post on that, but that was just the introduction of being on the internet and just sharing things about my life and things that I liked. And of course that spiraled into MySpace. I definitely went through that emo scene phase back in the day. So, and eventually that turned into Facebook and Tumblr, and I actually made a Tumblr all dedicated towards makeup and fashion. And that was actually the jumping point onto my YouTube channel, which I made in 2011. I would post just outfit of the day videos, makeup things, and I even posted a DIY that went viral eventually. I still have it on this channel, and it's the only one that I have back from 10 years ago. So if you guys go back, you can see me making holes in my jeans. And I remember at that time that was kind of the thing that I was super proud of, like just going viral on YouTube and teaching people how simple it was just to DIY your own jeans. At that point, I was a senior in high school, I was graduating and starting college, and I just stopped posting on YouTube. I would always come back to it, so every couple of years I would post a video and I would always say, I am coming back to YouTube 6 years later, but I was never consistent with it, and it always just kind of stayed a dream at the back of my mind to have a YouTube channel. And basically every year over the course of like 8 years, I would just think to myself, I should post on YouTube, I should really start my channel because it's something that I've always wanted to do, it's always something that I've dreamed of. But of course I would make all these excuses for myself. I would be tired from coming home from work, there was not enough light outside, I can only film in natural light. And as someone who's a bit of a perfectionist when it comes to their work, I always just wanted to wait for the perfect opportunity to do so. But of course, the perfect opportunity never comes because you kind of just have to make the leap and go for it. And I shared this on my Instagram post, but it wasn't until September of 2019 that I actually got laid off of my job a week before my wedding. I obviously did not see it coming, and I was absolutely devastated when it happened. Oh my god, I'm getting emotional. Obviously, I did not see that coming. I was absolutely devastated, and it was a little bit of a low point, especially since it was a week before my wedding. But I did try to see the brighter side of things and just chose to focus on the wedding and our honeymoon and just celebrating me and Brian. And my plan was just to worry about job hunting afterwards, so that's exactly what I did. And during this time was also when Brian suggested to me that I took my time off and used it towards doing something that I always wanted to do, which was to start up my YouTube channel. And oh my god, why am I getting so emotional? But this time it was going to be different because we were going to put 100% of ourselves into the channel. So I basically spent all of my time filming and coming up with content, and Brian spent all of his time editing and making sure that we got videos out every single week. So that was kind of our game plan, and I would post makeup and fashion and lifestyle things as well as DIYs and of course wedding videos. While planning and DIYing things for our wedding, I actually took a lot of footage on my phone that I eventually would have shared somewhere. I just never had a game plan on how to actually do it. And once I started putting out consistent wedding content, that's when we started getting traction on the channel, and it was just the most exciting thing ever because people were actually finding my work. You guys were loving my work and my content, and it just propelled me to just continue with the channel and keep going and just sharing more of what I loved. And from there we shifted into doing DIY and home content, and that was a bit of a risk because I knew that everyone liked me for my wedding content. My goal was to make the channel all about DIY and home content, so making that switch was really nerve-wracking. I wasn't sure if people would respond well, but it was at this point that I started believing in myself more, and Brian just believed in me so much as well, and we just put everything into it. And even if we put out these videos and they weren't getting views or weren't performing well, we just believed in the content so much that we just kept doing it. So we just continued putting them out, and somehow you guys started finding them and loving them and just continuing to watch them every single week. And I just can't believe that we are here now at 100,000 subscribers. Since we were staying home last year, that's honestly what we dedicated our time to. So all of our evenings and all of our weekends were just consumed by making videos, and it's just been the biggest passion project for Brian and I know you guys don't get to see him a lot on this channel.
We were working on stuff like the video editing, creating content until like, what do you say, 1 a.m., 2 a.m.?
Yeah, and then we were up pretty late just like thinking of all the different possibilities, and was like just getting so excited. And that's our Christmas tree, and it's April. But he truly is the other half to this channel. We would stay up late night, we still stay up late night, and we try to put out these videos every single Thursday and Sunday, and he really is the one that makes this happen. So thank you so much, babe, for making this. I know that he's gonna edit this and just cringe a little bit, but I really am so lucky that I have a partner that helps me with all this, and it really is a 50-50 effort. I know that you guys see me in front of the camera every single day, but know that there are 2 people working on this channel, and there's nothing else that we'd rather be doing. So it truly means the world to both of us that you guys subscribe and just support week after week. So So it's basically been about a year and a half of just posting consistently, and seeing where it's grown now is seriously just so unbelievable. I don't know how many times I can say that, but it just blows my mind so much. And actually last night I was watching a bunch of my old videos so that I could put the clips for the beginning of this video, and I started just getting so emotional because I found a video from almost exactly a year ago, and at that point the channel was still growing. I was just posting and sharing because I loved it so much, and now just looking back at it and seeing where I've come a year later seriously just made me like realize how much, oh my god, I'm gonna cry. And just seeing how far I've come in the past year just shows me, oh my god, why I can't cry on camera. And just seeing how far I've come in a year just shows how much believing in yourself can just change your whole entire life. And I hope that you guys hearing my story will also just teach you guys that you guys can do whatever you want to, and just to follow your dreams and to dream big, because you'll never know where it'll lead you. And I know that there's so much more to come on this channel. I've been able to put everything that I love into my YouTube channel and just pursue my dreams. So I hope that you guys also just take this as a sign to do whatever you want to do, whether that be YouTube or to have a small business or just anything that you guys can dream of. So I hope that encourages you guys, and know that I believe in you too. So of course I wanted to celebrate and give back to you guys, so I'm gonna have 3 giveaway winners. So I'm giving away 3 $100 gift cards to either Target or Etsy. To enter, all you have to do is to comment down below what your biggest accomplishment is. I want to celebrate you guys. This has definitely been my biggest accomplishment, so I want to hear what you guys are most proud of down below in the comments. So there will be 2 winners on YouTube and then 1 winner over on Instagram. So make sure that you check out the Instagram post that you guys should be commenting under. So make sure that use the hashtag 100K so that I know that you guys are entering in the giveaway, and I'll have all the details down below in the description box. So good luck to all of you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know it's a little bit different, a little bit more emotional, but I'm so glad to have you guys here and to celebrate such a huge milestone. Make sure that you stay tuned for the next video, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!